Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech AI, your go-to source for all things tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have encountered but might not fully understand: antivirus software conflicts. These conflicts can cause a range of issues from system slowdowns to network problems. And today, we're going to explore how to identify and resolve them. So, let's get started by understanding what antivirus software conflicts are. In simple terms, these conflicts occur when two or more antivirus programs are installed on the same system and start competing for resources, or when an antivirus program clashes with other software or system processes. This can lead to a variety of problems such as system instability, reduced performance, and even false positives in malware detection. Let's break this down into a few key sections. Why conflicts happen? Symptoms of antivirus conflicts. How to diagnose the problem. Resolving the conflicts. Preventing future conflicts. Why conflicts happen? The primary reason for these conflicts is that antivirus programs are designed to operate deeply within your system, monitoring and controlling various processes. When two programs try to do this simultaneously, they can interfere with each other. For instance, one antivirus might see the actions of another as suspicious, leading to constant scanning and resource hogging. Imagine having two security guards in a building who don't communicate with each other. They both try to do their job, but instead of working together, they end up getting in each other's way. Symptoms of antivirus conflicts. So, how do you know if your system is experiencing an antivirus conflict? Here are some common symptoms. System slowdowns. Your computer may become significantly slower, especially during startup or when running scans. Crashes and freezes. Frequent system crashes or freezing can indicate a deeper issue, often related to software conflicts. Network issues. Problems with internet connectivity or slow browsing speeds can sometimes be traced back to antivirus conflicts. False positives. One antivirus may flag the other's files as malicious, leading to confusing alerts and potentially unnecessary quarantining of files. How to diagnose the problem. Diagnosing antivirus conflicts involves a bit of detective work. Here's a step-by-step guide. Check installed programs. Open your control panel or settings and look for installed antivirus programs. Having more than one active antivirus can be the root cause. Review event logs. Windows has an event viewer where you can check logs for system errors related to antivirus programs. System performance tools. Use tools like Task Manager to monitor resource usage and identify any unusual spikes when antivirus programs are running. By systematically checking these areas, you can often pinpoint the source of the conflict. Resolving the conflicts. Once you've identified the conflict, here's how to resolve it. Uninstall unnecessary antivirus programs. Choose one reliable antivirus and uninstall the others. This is usually the most effective solution. Use built-in tools. Many antivirus programs come with built-in tools to help manage and resolve conflicts. Check the settings or support documentation for guidance. Update software. Ensure all your software, including your antivirus programs, are up to date. Updates often include fixes for known issues and conflicts. Configure exclusions. If you need to run more than one security tool, configure them to exclude each other from their scans. This can help prevent them from stepping on each other's toes. By following these steps, you can resolve most antivirus conflicts and restore your system's performance. Antivirus software conflicts can be a major headache, but with a little knowledge and some proactive steps, they can be resolved and prevented. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be struggling with similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech AI for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.